David here with Weekly Wheat Look. Today is Thursday, 17th of April. Obviously we've got Easter, so we've got 2 days off, so obviously that's always a crucial point to look on these markets when we see a move like similar to over Christmas. The usual, we've got the November 2014 UK wheat chart in front of us, and we've got clearly marked the Elliott waves that in place, and at the moment seems to be all following completely to plan. Was it looking for this wave 4 pullback, which we had, we can tick that off the list. Next, we're either looking at consolidation. Obviously, all the market shows which way it wants to go. It wants to go up. Ukraine situation is helping, so that's good. So obviously, we're now in wave 5, looking for the top of wave 5. Should be aggressive. Yep, that's another tick. So we put that in place. What else we've done? We've cleared October and December, so we've cleared that. So we've got a low in place of 152, which is a higher low, which is good. All we need now is take out this high here of 162, then we're all clear. 168 target in place, which is off the Elliott wave. Another way to look at it is we've had a £20 a tonne move. We've had a £10 tonne move back, so we've got another £20 tonne move on the upside, and that comes in at 172, 174. So really all just comes into play so nicely in an upwards trend. All we need to take out is this high here, so that's really good. This also confirms on the US wheat chart here. Oops, it's a little bit. Sorry, my computer's going a little bit slow. I've got a lot of programs running at the moment. See if we can get that. That's a little bit better. This is a longer term chart here. If you can see, this is back from December 13. You can see this, big fall on the US downwards trend line here. We broke in March, had this big rise up here. So you can put on an Elliott wave count really on this. So this is move 1, 2. The $720 comes in here at 50% retracement, which is spot on this high here in November. And so we're looking at 720. So if we look at two numbers, UK wheat is 162, and US wheat is 720. Any day you see 720 taken out with a close. Sorry, I just look at the chart again. I've got to take a glass. Sorry, 740. So I should be saying 740 was the high at the top of the one here. Any day you see a close on the US wheat market above 740 and UK wheat has a close above 720, then we really should see fireworks on the upside. So obviously keep an eye on both those numbers. And then just finally look at also rate chart here. You can see similar on the UK wheat and the US wheat. We broke that big downwards trend. We've had a £65 a tonne move up. We can call that move 1. Had a pullback 2. So really on the upside target we're looking at 465. So that's another £65 a tonne on the upside. What we had at the moment, 1395. So we've had a fair part of that move at the moment, 424. So, but we've still got another good move to come. We cleared the high of 415. So that is, different to what we're seeing on the US wheat and the UK wheat. Obviously, haven't quite cleared that last swing high, but we have on the Aussie rate. So everything looks as though it's going to plan. Obviously, just keep an eye on those two numbers. I've got alert set on this 162 as soon as that's taken out, and then we're looking for a sizable move on the upside. Obviously with Easter, look for Wednesday of next week to see a confirmation of this move, and I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.